thinking about the PLAB, but wait, do you really know the cost of it? The job wait time? And even the new proposal given by the government for the international medical graduate. I wish I would knew so I could do the steps. Sorry, MC. So to avoid this feeling, I'm going to tell you everything about the PLAB you should know before starting the PLAB journey. I'm Dr. Ehsan Lias. I've done my PLAB back in June 2024, and I wish I knew all of this, which I'm going to tell you in this video before I started the PLAB journey. So let's start it. First thing first, what is PLAB? PLAB is a licensing exam which is required for the international medical graduates to work in the UK. So, beginning with the pros. So, first thing, it is an easiest step, but is it a really a best step? Let's find out. So, first thing, PLAB comprises of the two steps. PLAB 1, which is an MCQs based test, it is not really an in depth test. And second one is the OSCE based test, which you have to go into the UK and have all the stations like OSCE, and you have to pass that to apply for the GMC registration. Yes, it is easiest way, but I don't think it is the best way. Second thing is a cost. It's a cost effective exam. Is it a really a cost effective exam? Yes, as compared to other exams like the USMLA, which cost about greater than £10,000 for a complete steps, and the MRCP, which cost about 5,000 to £7,000, PLAB for the whole journey cost you about 4,000 to £5,000. So still, it is a better cost effective exam. So third one. I couldn't find the third one. Coming to the main video, the point I wish I knew before starting the PLAB journey, which is the cones of PLAB and UKMLA. The first thing, it is a licensing exam, not the specialization exam. If you want to become a consultant or do any specialization, you need to give other specialist exams like MRCP and MRCS. Second thing, the job situation, which is the most important thing you should know. I've done my PLAB back in June 2024. Still, I'm not able to find the job. Yes. I know the people who have done the PLAB back in I guess 1 year back or even 1.5 year back. Still, they find difficult to find a job in the UK because people who are applying for the UK are getting increased. Jobs are not really much, and getting your first job is still a very difficult task nowadays. So, job situation is a real thing. So you should have you in your mind if you're starting a PLAB journey. It is not like you're going to pass a PLAB exam and get your first job as soon. No, it will take a long time and you have to build a very strong CV for this. Third thing, the cost of living in the UK. The cost of living in the UK is really high. I'm telling you honestly, though, for your first salary, when you start working in the UK as FY2, junior clinical fellow, or a research fellow, teaching fellow, would be around £2,500 to £3,200 after cutting all the taxes. So, and the rents are very high. So these also like you should be thinking that you're not going to be able to save or even to earn that much as compared to the USA or UMLE people in the UK in the first few years of your like working in the UK. So the fourth thing, which is very important nowadays, is the new proposal by the government. So first thing, it is a proposal. It is not yet become a law, but government has introduced a new policy in which the all the international medical graduates should have at least 2 years of experience before coming into the specialty training. Yes, it is not being applied to the other jobs like F2 and SHO jobs, but it basically implies if you wanted to do a specialization in the UK, you should have at least 2 years of experience or prior NHS experience for applying to the UK, which was previously not like that. So yes, this is one of the hurdle. If you are interested in doing the specialization in the UK, you should have this all everything in the mind. So is PLAB really worth it? It's really depend upon your choice. If cost is not an issue for you, you should go to the USMLE steps. If you want to do the specialization, you should go to the MRCP. If you find difficulty in managing the finances and you want to give some easy exam, so then PLAB is your choice.